Here are the things that you need to consider before you download a theme on your WordPress website. Number one thing that you need to consider before you download a theme on your WordPress website is number one, easy to use and customize. Some WordPress website theme that you download on your WordPress website is 100% difficult to use, especially beginners. So you need to make sure you download a theme that is 100% easy. Even though you are a beginner, it's going to be easy for you to learn. And number two is search engine optimize. Why do you need to consider this before you actually download theme on your WordPress website? Number one, if you download anyhow theme, it's going to be blocking Google from accessing your WordPress website. Google cannot be able to index your WordPress website on their search result. So this is going to be, a typically downside for your site, because you are not actually going to be getting traffic from Google search results. In as much as possible, Google does not in any shape, form, angle index your website or any articles on your WordPress website. Another one that you need to consider is lightweight and fast. Do you know that a lot of people are complaining today that their website is slow in speed in terms of loading? So when this happens, you are going to be finding it difficult to get approved on Google AdSense, number one. And two, when a visitor click on your website on Google search and finding it difficult to access it, that visitor will shake another and you are going to be losing traffic. So you need to make sure that you download a theme that is going to be fast in loading. Whenever someone click on your articles, it's going to be fast in loading. And lastly on the list is top-notch customer support. So a lot of theme on WordPress website, when you're having difficulties and try to contact them, you will be find out that they are not going to be responding to you. You need to download a theme that whenever you are having issues, you contact them, they are going to reply you immediately and find a way to resolve it. Because all this theme on WordPress website is 100% developed by someone like you and me and publish it on WordPress website. So make sure that whenever you are downloading a theme, download a theme that whenever you have issue and contact them, they are going to respond to you. 24/7 customer support. So for me to summarize everything, whenever you want to download a theme on your WordPress website, make sure you consider these four things. So let me just name them. Easy to use and customize. 1. Search engine optimize. 2. And lightweight and fast. 3. And the 4 is top-notch customer support. Make sure you consider these four things before you download any theme.